Hi there, and welcome to Frequently Asked Fridays. My name is Sarah, and I'm here today with iHealthBrokers to answer some of your most frequently asked questions. And today's question is, how do I choose between a DHMO and a PPO? Well, if it's open enrollment time and you're trying to figure out which dental insurance plan to go with, you may be a little overwhelmed, and that's completely understandable. So let's break down some of the differences and talk about a few questions that you need to ask yourself. First and foremost, do you have a dentist that you know and love? Is this the dentist that you want to continue using? If so, check to see if they accept your plan. If they accept your plan, then maybe you could look at a DHMO. If they don't accept your plan, then you're going to want to go with a PPO. Otherwise, every time you go to the dentist, you're going to have to pay out of pocket. Next, you need to ask yourself if you may need to visit any specialists or anything like that. Is there anything that you may need a little bit more flexibility regarding? DHMOs have a little bit less flexibility than PPOs. Now let's talk about finances. So DHMOs will of course have lower monthly premiums, and usually they're going to have lower copays when you actually take advantage of the services. PPOs will provide you coverage both in and out of network. However, when you actually receive those benefits, it's usually going to be a little bit more expensive, and of course the monthly premiums are going to be higher. And finally, do you think you have major dental work coming up? You have a toothache? Has it been a while since you've gone to the dentist? You may have an inkling if you think that there's going to be some major dental bills in your future. If so, you're really going to want to look to see what that cap is that your insurance has placed, because if it's a lower cap, it means once you've hit that with your dental bills, you're going to be on the hook for the rest of it. So make sure to take a look as far as what the max that your insurance will contribute. That's it for today. If you have any questions, you can reach us here at iHealthBrokers at 888-851-0181, or you can reach us in the comments below. And of course, make sure to check out our YouTube channel because we've got a couple of videos dedicated entirely to dental insurance. That's sure to clear up the confusion. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.